phones can you on the phone? It's recording.
Next station, Warnborough.
One of my wishes finally. No, it's outside.
Yeah. I'd press it anyways.
One of my dreams finally came through of honking a air horn. I don't speak that language.
What, Braille?
Huh?
Braille?
Nah, I don't speak it.
It's for blind people.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. It's crazy. People can just do that and they'll like do what it says.
Hey, no smoking or vaping on the train, please.
So he actually likes that. Jump off this train service. To never talk to me again.
No, I won't tell anybody. I'll let you off.
Why would you tell me to do that?
Next station,
Don't jump
Warnborough.
off the train like, oh,
Yeah, no, I got you. Just relax.
He has a disability, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. What an idiot. I like your glasses, bro. They're pretty cool.
Thank you.
They cost like
Yeah,
over
no.
600. Alright, can you hold the phone, please?
Can't deal with it, man.
What?
Why?
Just close your mouth or don't talk anymore.
I'm so sorry about that.
I'm sorry.
Hey.
I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry to me, bro. Be sorry to him. That's just low-key rude.
You're so funny.
It's just low-key rude, bro. Alright, I hope you guys, I hope you do as well, alright? But I also hope you get some manners. Alright, that was low-key rude as fuck. I'm sorry. You honking it? You honking it?
Yeah, I just did.
Give it another one, bro. That was quiet. Hey, Are you gonna get the train horn?
Big
Fucking
one.
oath, yeah. Alright.